Hey folks, so a lot of times when you get these Homer Laughlin plates in Fiesta, Riviera, like this pattern is here, Harlequin, etc., the orange, for some reason, will scratch quite a bit. You'll see the metal leaves these black marks. So you can rescue them, believe it or not. If you can, as you can see here, I did a half of this bowl. You can see it's clean, or half of it's clear. Now, something like Windex, let's see if that works. Of course, it does not work. It doesn't clean it off at all. So yeah, that doesn't clean it off. But what does is semi-chrome polish. This stuff here comes in tubes. This is a can of it. And watch the magic. Oh, gotta let that dry. So when you just polish it off, watch this. Just dab some polish on a cloth. Watch this. Lo and behold, it polishes it right off. So yeah, it doesn't remove obviously a scratch that's right through the glaze, but any of these black marks will come right off with the polish. And this is similar for other china as well, and pottery, some enamel signs. When they get these black marks, some of it will come off. And these plates, you can revive them, bring them back from the dead, basically. As you can see, it's come off. You can see that has come off quite well in comparison to what they were. There's a few that require a little bit of elbow grease, but not much. And then you just give them a polish. Now obviously you're best to clean the with soap and water after, if you plan to use these. Although these orange ones, of course, are radioactive. They do have some radioactivity in them, and but so I wouldn't exactly recommend eating off the orange ones. But as you can see, that's cleaned up pretty well. I just have to get some more polish to finish cleaning that. We'll just, well, that's almost too much, but we'll just take the scuffs off with some more of that polish. So yeah, as you can see, it removes it quite quickly and brings it back up to excellent condition. So yeah, takes quite a bit of it off, and yeah, cleans it up pretty well. So that's pretty good, considering it looked just like this other one I'll show you that we tried to wash with Windex. So compare the two. This one's still not done. I could finish it up a bit, but you can see the difference right away from this to that in just a matter of 30 seconds or so, or a minute. So that's pretty good, pretty impressive. So yeah, semi-chrome polish, that'll do her. So hopefully that tip helps you out, helps you save some of your Fiesta Ware and Riviera and Homer Laughlin products, as well as other china wares and such. You can remove it with this stuff. So great stuff. I do advise wearing gloves though, as the instructions mention. Alright. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Check out our other videos on antiquing, picking, thrifting, etc. Take care, folks.